What's up, guys? Stas here. So there's a company that recently came out saying by no later than 2025, they're going to be the biggest company in the world producing electric vehicles. And this company is Volkswagen, guys. Ticker symbol VWAGY. And I want to cover what happened recently with Volkswagen. I have a bunch of notes here from their investor relations page. And I want to go over, is Volkswagen the company that's going to take Tesla out of business, guys? Is this the company that's going to do that? We'll get into that today. Hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure to go down below, get 2 stocks from WeBull, get $10 from M1 Finance, get $10 from Coinbase, and join the Strive Smart Discord chat. All of those are free, linked right down below. So Volkswagen and German media actually came out and said this is very similar to what happened with GameStop, AMC, all the Wall Street best stocks about a month, 2 months ago, right? You guys remember that big surge. German media is saying that maybe Reddit is actually fueling this rally as well, because Volkswagen, and you don't really see this in legacy traditional automakers, Volkswagen went from $22 back in the end of February, early March even, it was at $24, and it doubled. It went to $48 recently. Actually, that was yesterday. It went to $48. Now it's at $37, currently down 12% on the day. It's off from the highs, 25% off the highs that were hit yesterday. So what the heck is going on here? Yeah, we can be seeing a Reddit surge of this stock, Reddit popping the stock up. That's very, very possible. And we're also seeing a massive plan here for Volkswagen to pretty much dominate the EV market in the next couple of years. That's kind of how they're approaching it. And am I convinced that they're going to do this? Not really. I'll be honest right off the bat. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not convinced really that they're going to dominate Tesla. In fact, I doubt it. I think Tesla is way ahead of the game, but we'll talk about that in a second. So according to the Motley Fool, analyst Gordon Johnson of GLJ Research said Volkswagen would overtake Tesla in EV unit sales this year. The German automaker said on Tuesday, and they actually said this, go on their investor relations, that it plans to deliver 1 million EVs this year. And Johnson noted that Tesla guided for a 50% increase in deliveries this year, which would put it at about 750,000 units. And you guys know in 2020, Tesla delivered a hair under 500,000 vehicles. So in 2021, they're about to do projected 750,000. So Volkswagen is probably, according to this Tuesday number, they're going to deliver 1 million EVs this year. And Volkswagen also said on Tuesday that it wants to be, like I said in the beginning of the video, the top EV maker in the world by no later than 2025, which is about 4 years from now. And by them saying no later, that means, hey, they might want to be the biggest EV maker in 23, in 24. Do they have the ability to do that? Hey, it very well could happen. But again, I am not too convinced that this company is going to just destroy Tesla, right? And a lot of people have been leaving comments on my channel. Stas, what do you think about Volkswagen? And listen, Volkswagen, they have a lot of brands. And from what I was reading, they're looking to integrate these brands amongst each other for the EVs that these individual brands offer. You know, we have Volkswagen, obviously, is the brand Volkswagen. They have those cars. I used to have a Volkswagen a couple years ago. I ended up selling that. Now I have a beautiful Toyota, guys, I'll be honest. And Audi is another one they own. Porsche, however you want to call it, Lamborghini, Bugatti. There's a lot of companies, or brands rather, they own wholly, right? They own 100% of these brands. And there's some that they're majority owners of. I believe Audi, they're majority owner in Porsche, majority owner. I believe they outright own Lamborghini. I could be wrong there, but you guys get the point. So there's a lot of these individual brands under Volkswagen. A lot of these individual brands, they're making their own EVs. Volkswagen's making their own EV, of course. So yeah, Volkswagen also said that the EV lineup is more targeted to the masses, and that is kind of what Tesla has obviously been working on for the past couple of years. I mean, they had a vehicle that was $120,000 a couple years ago, Tesla, and obviously the masses can't afford that. But as the years have gone down, they've added more affordable vehicles. The Model 3, the Model Y, these could be considered mass market vehicles. And of course, the next big vehicle, the even more mass produced vehicle that's coming out from Tesla, which could be anywhere from $20,000-$25,000. I mean, I think that is going to blow Volkswagen out of the water. I mean, that's just what I think. Once that next vehicle comes out, I mean, I think these numbers, yeah, maybe Volkswagen right now will make more vehicles, deliver more vehicles than Tesla. Again, Tesla's going to do about 750,000 this year. Maybe Volkswagen does 1 million, but come talk to me in 5 years, guys. There's no way, in my opinion, that Tesla is not going to be the number one. It might not be, but in my opinion, for my research, they're way ahead of the game. And even, the Volkswagen CEO was talking about the autonomous thing, quote unquote. We'll talk about that in a second here. And Tesla's so much farther ahead than Volkswagen when it comes to software. The autonomy is just ridiculous, guys. I mean, come on, Volkswagen. On the other hand, UBS analysts said Volkswagen could match Tesla in EV unit sales as early as next year. Okay, they predict that the company will deliver 300,000 more EVs than Tesla in 2025. So I'm not sure what kind of modeling they're using for that. The growth rates for Tesla's deliveries year over year, they might not have that right. I think that people underestimate how many units that Tesla's going to deliver in the next 5 years. But I mean, based on their modeling, okay, they believe that, well, a UBS analyst believes that Volkswagen could match Tesla in EV unit sales, maybe deliver 300,000 more EVs than Tesla in 2025. I mean, it could, maybe. CNN notes that Volkswagen is investing $42 billion into electric vehicles in its quest to counter, honestly, let's be honest. Everyone wants to conquer Tesla's dominance. Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess, I hope I'm saying that right, told CNN earlier this week that Tesla is very, quote unquote, very strong in software. No duh. I mean, do you realize how many millions and millions and millions and millions of miles Tesla cars have driven? How much data they've accumulated? And the way I look at Tesla's business model is very similar to Apple, right? Everyone has an iPhone for the most part. Mine's right here charging. And the iPhone is the hardware, but the software is where the real money is made, the services, right? And Tesla's building that software, the services, and they sell this physical product, which is the car. It's great, it's amazing, but they also have the services, the software, kind of the back end. We also have insurance, autonomy, robo-taxis, all that stuff. That's in the future. So, I mean, there's a lot to digest here. And yeah, he said, the CEO of Volkswagen, they're very strong in software in addition to making electric vehicles. And he also added that the automaker runs the car, quote unquote, he said this, quote, the car as a device, end quote, which is kind of what I just said here, and that they are, quote unquote, making good progress on the autonomous thing. I mean, what? Like, who says that? He said they're making good progress on the autonomous thing. I mean, what? Does he not know what? I mean, that just leads me to believe, like, okay, he views this as a thing. He doesn't care about that much. I mean, that goes to show clearly they're behind the 8 ball there. And he's saying that they're going to challenge Tesla. He actually emphasized that. So, hey, what do you guys think? Shoot me a comment down below. I'm not here to debate, the growth numbers from Volkswagen, Tesla. I mean, you guys know where I stand. I'm long Tesla. I've been in Tesla I believe in Tesla, and more importantly, I believe in Elon Musk. I mean, he's the man I'm betting on, and that's what you have to realize when you're investing in a company. Yeah, the product, the service, the software, that's extremely important. Duh, that's important. But you also want to bet on the guy or the gal that is running the company. I mean, people are betting. They were betting on Steve Jobs with Apple. People bet on Cathie Wood when it comes to ARK Invest. People are betting on the top man or woman that's running the ship. So, with Tesla, I feel very comfortable with Elon Musk, obviously. And Volkswagen intends to sell 2 million. Okay, this is a more concrete number. 2 million EVs by 2025, and they plan on building a network of massive battery factories, hire 6,500 IT experts in the next 5 years, launch an operating system, and become the second largest software firm in Europe after SAP, also known as SAP. The move into software further cements the fact that Volkswagen has Tesla in its crosshairs. UBS analysts told the media last week that investors haven't appreciated the speed at which the German automaker is gaining ground on Tesla. And yeah, I mean, they're doing all this stuff now, but Tesla was doing this stuff 5 years ago. I mean, this is stuff that they're behind the eight ball. I truly believe that. And a lot of these EV makers are, and that's why they're scrambling. And that's why Tesla's the number one player. And for all we know, yeah, I truly believe Volkswagen, no doubt, they're going to be either the second or the third biggest player, fourth biggest player. Who knows? They're going to be top five, no doubt about it. They're the biggest legacy automaker right now, from my understanding. I think their market cap's like $250 billion. I mean, now that it's run so much, it's gained a lot of ground recently. So we'll see if that lasts. And they have a lot of brands, like I mentioned: Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, Lamborghini, Bugatti. I mean, go on their website. You guys will see all the brands they own, and they're going to do well. I mean, my dream car, I'll be honest, my dream car is an Audi R8. That I've always loved that car, Audi R8. Lamborghini, obviously everyone likes Lamborghinis for the most part. That's another nice one. But for some reason, man, that Audi R8, I will get that car one day. That's for sure. And of course, I'm going to get a Tesla too. That's a goal for me when it comes to cars. So what do you guys think? I mean, this is Volkswagen stock. It's been crushing it. Tesla, of course, did very well these past couple months, the past year and a half. It's done very well. What do you guys think? Now Tesla's finally pulling back a bit. It's down from 900, trading at 670. It's down 25%. It's in a bear market. Full disclosure, I've been buying Tesla. So yeah, I mean, I'm long Tesla. I'm watching Volkswagen. I respect both of these companies, and I just think Tesla's going to win, but I still think Volkswagen's going to be a second or third biggest player, no doubt. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, and make sure to also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to get your free money link down below. I'm telling you guys, there's at least $40 free, link down below. $2, or rather 2 stocks from M1 Finance. Those are valued maybe up to $1,600, and you guys can get $10 from M1 Finance and $10 from Coinbase. Check all that out. Join the Discord chat while you're at it. Those are all free. And if you guys want more access to me throughout the day, buy and sell alerts, call outs, morning update videos, that is on Patreon. Make sure to check out the Patreon. That is linked right down below. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay safe out there. Keep crushing the markets, guys. Peace out.